Have you been wondering how people been adding a custom image to the bottom of their brim? Yeah, they're actually doing this. But there's no need to worry because I'm here to help you. Hi, I'm Nikki and I am the originator of the custom hat templates. Despite there has been many people out here who has been reselling my templates without my permission. But that's on a whole nother day because I'm coming for you. However, I'm here to help those people who are not familiar with this technique get familiar with this technique. And how I'm going to help you get familiar with this technique is that I am going to offer you our original black template for free that will help you get started at home. I am going to give you this here template in a form of a PDF. And within that PDF, it's going to show you how to custom design your template in Canva, how to add the image to your brim with an iron, how to add puff vinyl at the top of your hat, and also how it stood up in the wash test. And it's also going to show you where I purchased my supplies that are reasonable enough to help you get started with this here project. And once you have completed your first hat, don't forget to join my Facebook group to let me know how easy and affordable it was to create your own custom hat for the first time. And then we can talk about my updated templates to where you have more hat options to choose from to include the Bass Pro Shop hats and also the trucker hats, all right? Until, happy crafting. And I look forward to seeing you in my Facebook group.